Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you an easy way to marble with acrylic nails. If you want to see how I did these, just stay tuned and I'll put you through the entire process. Before you start marbling, you want to brush on some monomer on the actual nail that you are working on. This would help make the beads you place on the nail much wetter than they are supposed to. In other words, it would help you to be able to swirl those beads around. Next, I'm just going to place my beads one at a time, and then I will swirl it in any direction that I like, and these will help create a certain pattern. And the great thing about marble is any pattern, it looks just as fine. Okay, so if you're not satisfied with the pattern that you've created, you can very quickly add another bead and still swirl it around, because like I said, the beads that we've picked up are very wet and they will not set immediately. You just want to swirl it up nice and easy like I'm doing right here, and then just create a very nice pattern that you think you like. And I left this video in real time so that you guys can sort of see how quickly or how slowly that I'm working. Okay, so we're just going to pick up another bead to finish up the rest of the nail, and I like to interchange the colors that I'm working with. So if I used the darker shade, if I picked up the darker shade first, the next time I'm going to pick up another bead, I like to pick up a lighter shade. And then you just really want to swirl it in any direction, like I said, that you like, and pull down, and that's just it. It's really simple. When I'm done with this, I'm going to cap it in clear like you would as a normal nail, and then apply top coat for you guys to see, although I didn't show that I was capping in clear. Alrighty, I'm back from capping these nails in clear, and I'm just going to apply top coat now for the final reveal. It's going to help show all of that nice marble lines and swirls. And there you have it, guys. Acrylic marble is super easy. If you found this video really helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye.